Stop scrolling. You've never seen stuffed peppers like this before. We're stuffing sweet bell peppers with juicy lamb and a surprise ingredient, a whole egg inside. The most interesting thing is at the end of the video. Start by cutting the tops off for large red or yellow bell peppers. Clean out the seeds but keep their shape. Now, chop up 300 grams or about 10 ounces of lamb. Shoulder or neck works best. The texture is way better if you dice it by hand. Sauté chopped onion and garlic in a little oil. Add the lamb, season with salt, black pepper, cumin, and paprika. Cook until golden and fragrant. Time to stuff. Fill each pepper with lamb, leave some space at the top, then crack in half an egg. That's right, half an egg per pepper. Carefully place the peppers into simmering beef broth. Cover and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. The result? Juicy, tender lamb to soft, rich egg inside, and the pepper is just melting in your mouth. Serve with fresh herbs and a spoonful of that golden broth. You'll want to dip bread in it, trust me. The most interesting trick: pour the egg over the filling so that during cooking a lid is formed, covering the bell pepper. At the same time, the juices of the filling will not leak out. Follow for more smart recipes.